Greetings my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel Venera collection. This is Maneesha. Today it's a surprise grand tutorial to make a pair of earrings. It has textures on it. I have used Pearlex mica pigments in 2 tones. I've done some embroidery technique on the earring as well as I attached glass beads around the edge of the dome. We call these kind of earrings Jhumka in India. It's an Oriental design and very popular. For texturing these domes, I used one unusual item from my kitchen. You will see it. Please watch, subscribe, and like my tutorial. So how you are accepting that I can know from your comments whether you like it or not. Let me know, and if you like it and if you could make it, please hashtag me Venera Collections or Maneesha Sanoj in the social media. I will be so happy to see your creations from my tutorial. Let's move to the tutorial. I haven't included pasta machine, roller, thermometer, oven, all those things. Cut 2 circles out of scrap clay. This is gonna be the base. Don't worry if you don't have this quilling mold, you can use a scoop spoon instead of this. I put the clay into one dome size I needed and press with the ball tool. This will help to make hollow jhumka. Now I am shaping the dome on a ball tool. It's perfect. Funny, I keep everything and anything for craft purpose. This time it is a garlic bag. My friend sent me a necklace and she asked me to make a matching earrings. So for that texture I could not match anything other than this piece of garlic bag. I am using pasta machine now so that the texture will be deeply embedded. Wow, cool texture. Next we want to apply some Pearlex pigments. You can use any of the mica pigments. I use Aztec Gold. Cut 2 circles out of this textured sheet and place it on the dome. Press gently towards downwards and make the domes and the sheet adhere together. Trim excess uneven edges of the dome. Let's attach some glass beads onto the dome. For that we have to use some head pins. Ball pins will be better. Add beads onto the ball pins and trim it short. Depending on the size of the dome, you need to have more beads. Using bake and bond, attach each eye pins to the domes. For the size of my earrings, I have used 11 beads per each dome. So total 22 beads I used. If the pins are not short enough, it may pierce out. One has come out, but I will hide it in embroidery. Make a small string of red clay to do embroidery technique on the earring. Trim off the end and make small pieces out of the string and make it into a drop shape. To make center of the flowers, few pieces should be in bowl shape or a circle. I put a bowl in the place where I need the flower and 4 drop shape petals in 4 directions, and press the petals with a pin or a scalpel or needle, anything. Fill the gaps between 4 petals with the drop shape we made. Repeat doing the same things as much as flowers you want. You can do up to your imagination, but be conscious about the identical designs on both the pair. Using an eye pin to make impression on the petals, just drag lightly downwards so it will give a petal effect. I think you can see few more details I added. This embroidery technique resembles very well with the daisy embroidery. That's how the name came. Glue head pin with little bacon bone. Do identical embroidery pattern on the other earring also. I'm putting a polymer clay red bead onto the eye pin. Make tiny brown color ball of clay and press it to the center of flowers. Finally, dust with the copper color mica pigments. This one is from Art Ingredients. Previously we used Pearlex Aztec gold color pigment. Let's make a stud, and the stud post can be fall off. To prevent that, we should cover the post with clay. Smoothen the back side of the studs with a toothpick or any other tools which are handy, so the clay will not be grumpy. It's time to trim again. Lot of trimmings and leveling included in clay jewelry making. Cut vertically and horizontally many times so that it will match with the domes we made. Apply same gold color pigments followed by copper color pigments. Stud is really a simple design. I'm just adding red color ball. Just press it with a ball tool. I actually made 2 studs. One is ready-made and the other one is now I show you already. Add a small piece of red clay onto the ready-made stud. Bake according to the package directions. Apply thin layer of your favorite varnish. You can finish the earrings many ways. This pair of earring I already sent to my friend, so I am showing with another pair of earrings. Add one oval gem ring to the domes and use it as a dangle earring or stud as and when required. So it will be 2-in-1 earring, or else you can just add it to the ready-made studs as I show in the previous Jhumka video. Our beautiful Jhumka is ready with the textures and embroidery technique. Also, it is a mixed media project. I made these earrings for this necklace only. Hope I could fulfill her need. Didn't you subscribe my channel yet? Please subscribe and keep watching. Happy crafting!